When I say I go, you say Amen. I go. This is your friend Charlotte Samoa Dankwa. Me mamunya fish ya pa and then 31st. So we have 1 day left to 2020. Merry Christmas to all of you. And we have only 1 day, then we have New Year. So now I'm just gonna wish you Happy New Year. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. To subscribe, thank you. Today I come to you for simple, just simple, okay? Because in 2020 we have to save, okay, ladies? All right. So I'm gonna show you how I do my nails at home, okay? Since I've been doing that, I've been saving a lot, and my husband is happy. So we need the happiness in the family, you know? So let me show you how I do my nails. Okay, first, I'm gonna turn this ugly thing here, you see? To whatever I'm gonna do right now, okay? So let's see. What you need is, you go to your local beauty supply, or anywhere you can get the nails. Maybe a Walmart, Sally's, whatever you can go and get your nails. You see, I have this one here. It looks like a French tip. I have a lot. I have a lot. I'm telling you, I have a lot. So any color I need, I change it and I'm good to go. But today, I'm going to use this French tip, okay? Whatever you need is your glue. Don't buy super glue. I'm sorry. Your local beauty supply, they have nail glue. I think it's $1.99 or $2, okay? You need that. And you need your gel. This one is $1.99 too, okay? And what is the other one? Oh my God, I have the one I treat my nails with. That one is garlic. You see that one? It's a garlic. I think that one is $2.99 too. So what I do is I just start my nails. You see? Okay. I base my nails first with the thing. I hope you guys can see it. First, I base it, you know, to give my nails a break from all the glue I'm going to use in my nails. You understand? So I do that. And I wait for a little while to make him dry. And sometimes I use this patch. That one, you put it in every nail, one by one. Then you put the nails together. But sometimes I don't need it. Like today, I'm hurrying up. I don't have time. So I'm going to use just the glue to do my nails, okay? So let's see. The nails already paint and everything for you. So you don't really need that much. You don't need that much. Just, you know. So I think I'm going to use something to put my hands on it. Maybe you will say, my God, Charlotte, what happened to your face? I'm doing my makeup, but I want to do my nails first. So, let's start it. Okay, now, I wait for like a couple, let's say 2 minutes to make the garlic dry in my nails. So now, we're going to start it, okay? I told you, you just need your glue and your nails and your filing thing. That's it, okay? And maybe you need something like this to pick up your nails. Sometimes I use my hand to pick it up, so it doesn't matter. So let's do it. Okay, I have my tissue box here to put my nails to make it, you know, then you can see him faster. Okay? All right. So, this is for the thumb. Woo! Perfect. You have to measure it first, okay? To see, just put a little bit glue in top of your nails. Don't put that much that you'll mess up your nails. You understand? Just a drop, you know, and you pick it up. You just hang it up like that. Just hold it for a little while. Or you can blow. Okay? That's it. Just a couple seconds. Then you put your hands on top of everything. Like you see? Like you rubbing it little by little. Little by little. Then you blow. Then you almost done. You know, ladies. It's not easy, you know, to go to that place to give $60, $70, sometimes $80 when you do your foot. It's not easy, you know. So You know, our children is getting older. They're going to college and everything. So we have to start to save, you know. Okay, now we get one done. Let's go to the second one. Look, it's easy, 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 easy breezy, easy breezy, easy breezy. A little bit, and you put a little bit in the nail. You easy to go, easy to go, easy to go. Just pick up your nail. Sometimes to do the other side, sometimes get harder because, you know, but it's when you get used to it, it's so easy for you to do it. I'm telling you, it's not that hard. You see, it just press on and you're good to go. You're good to go, you know. You're good to go. Let's see, that one is perfect. You're good to go. So I want to talk to you guys about what we're going to do about this 2020, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do. When I say what we're going to do, I mean like for savings part, you know. What we're going to do. We're going to stop buying all those stuff we don't need it, especially me here. You keep blowing a little bit, just a little bit for, you know. Sometimes it takes me like 2 weeks to take it off. When you want to take it off, it's so easy. I'm going to do video to show you how to take it off. You don't need the video even to take it off. Okay? You just get your old, what do you call it? Your old Metro card. That's it. You just put in the side and side, little by little. Don't rip it and rip your skin off. Don't do that. Okay? Just little by little. Okay, this one is perfect. Just little by the side and side. You shake it them side and side. Then that's it. It come off. Okay? And your nails, nothing gonna happen to your nails. I'm telling you. I've been doing this a couple months now. Nothing happened to my nails. Nothing. Okay? Because I saw all those ladies in YouTube. I said, wait a minute. What is going on? Let me see if I can do this. And it will help me. And I start to doing it. I'm telling you, they want to do it for this Christmas. Oh my God, I'm going to show that to you later in the video. And you will see that, you know, it come out very good and beautiful. That nails was, I think, I did my daughter's. My daughter's was, let's see. You see now? Look. You see how beautiful? Look. Look. You see? Look. See? It's like professional did it. Look. So beautiful. It's not going to come off so easily if you do it right. Okay? Just put your hands on top of it like a couple seconds. And maybe sometimes you blow. You see? And it come off nice and easy. So when you pick it up and put it, make sure you put the right side. Okay? Put the right size. If you don't put the right size, it's not going to look nice. Okay? All the nails have a nice sizes. So make sure you put the nice sizes. Then you're good to go. You're good to go. I'm telling you, you're good to go. When you get in the side that you can do it, use this to pick up the nail. Then put in top of it like this. So you see, it just flip on me. It just flip on me, I'm telling you. So sometimes, yeah, when you get to the some part, it's hard. But you're going to get used to it, believe me. You see now on top of it? Yes, it's easy to do it. Very, very easy. It's not that hard. Beginning, I told you, it's going to, everything you do in beginning, it get harder. You know that. So, I'm telling you, this one you don't have to shape it up. You don't. Sometimes you get some nails, you think it's long, you can cut the back. Next time I'm going to do the long one, then I'll show you how you cut the back. Then, you see, I'm done. Look at it. And it's so hot, it's not going nowhere. Look at it. You see how beautiful it look? Look. Amazing, right? Make it, when you finish, just top of it. And, you see? You done. I'm telling you, it's so easy. Easy. See? You done. So when you finish it, put everything away and get your gel. your top coat or whatever they call it, and start to, you know, put the shiny on. That's it. You just put the shine on, make it 2 coats, like when you go to nail salon, how they do it. Give you a little bit second to dry. Fine it up. That's it. And put the second coat. I'm telling you, you're good to go. You're good to go. You know, sometimes you have somewhere to go and you look at your nails. My God, oh, I can't even go and do my nails. What happened? You don't have to go anywhere. Just buy this, press on, then so easy. I do my daughter's nails. You know how much I'm saving? Please, girl. Look at it now. Look, it's so beautiful. Look, look. You see? So beautiful. What do you guys think? Let me know. And if you think, you see, I turned this ugly thing here to this amazing thing. Look at it. How pretty they look. It's so beautiful. Look. You see? So beautiful. And these nails, I bought it $4. $4. And that $4, I will use it twice. You understand? I work hard. Where I work is hard work I do. I don't sit down there and write. No, I work hard. You guys know what I do. So it won't come off so easily. Sometimes I walk around and I walk around with my gel. My glue. I mean, I walk around with this glue and my nails. So if some of them pop off, I pop it back on. No foul, nothing happened. So you see, nice and beautiful. So ladies, I want you guys to save. So I'm gonna cut this video nice and short. So we will talk later. Love always, Charlotte. Mwah. Bye.